this problem from geometry of two dimension and from the chapter transformation of axis, right? And the problem is, if the perpendicular straight lines ax plus by plus c, this is equal to 0, and bx minus ay plus c dash, this is equal to 0. Obviously these two given straight lines are perpendicular to each other. B taken as the axis of x and y respectively. Then show that this equation will transform into this equation. Okay, that is, here says that these and this are the new axis of coordinate. Now we try to draw a rough sketch of old axis. This is ox and oy, and let these two straight lines like this and this, which are obviously perpendicular, let this is o dash x dash and o dash y dash, right? This is new x axis, this is new y axis, and new origin is o dash, and this is given by ax plus by plus c, this is equal to 0, and this is given by bx minus ay plus c dash, this is also equal to 0. Let P be any point on the plane and its old coordinate is xy and its new coordinate is x dash y dash. Now, with respect to any coordinate system, what do you mean by the coordinate of a point? The coordinate x dash y dash means the distance this and distance this. This is given by x dash and this is given by y dash. That is, x dash is given by the perpendicular distance of P from this line, and y dash is given by perpendicular distance of P from this line. Okay. Now we find out the perpendicular distance x dash and y dash. Since this is pxy, so we can write the formula of perpendicular distance. This is x dash, which is given by bx minus ay plus c dash by root under b square plus a square. Okay, and similarly we get y dash. Y dash is perpendicular distance of p, that is xy, from this line, so we get the formula ax plus by plus c by root under a square plus b square. Okay, and from here we can write the result as bx minus ay plus c dash, this is equal to x dash into root a square plus b square, and similarly from here we get ax plus by plus c, this is y dash into root under a square plus b square, right? And we put the value of two expressions here and here, we get the equation in new coordinate system. By putting the value, we get here y dash into root a square plus b square whole square minus 2 into, this is obviously x dash into root under a square plus b square whole square, this is equal to 1. So clearly this is y dash square minus 2 x dash square, this is 1 by a square plus b square, and this is our required result. Okay, this is the equation of this in new coordinate system. Very easy problem, but very interesting and important problem of transformation of axis, right? Thank you for watching.